The HQ400 series CNC Busbar bending machine is a set of highly automated machine. For higher copper busbar processing machine, it is a second-generation CNC bending machine product. It is a practical processing machine with low cost and high efficiency. This machine is with a wide range of applications and can be used for processing copper busbars in electrical switchgear, distribution boxes, frequency converters, transformers. This machine adopts a fully servo motor power drive with high output pressure and transmission advantages such as stability and accurate positioning. This machine can be used together with the HQ600-B series CNC Busbar punching and shearing machine. Our company's programming software can expand the bending diagram, generate the code of the punching and shearing machine, and import the computer processing code of the punching and shearing machine. The HQ400 series adopts closed bending structure, which is with simple structure, balanced and reasonable first mode, and greatly enhanced mechanical strength compared to the first generation of open bending. The frame structure and welding are stable, which can ensure long-term use without deformation. The retaining part adopts double linear guide rails, and the ball screw runs stably without noise. The machine adopted an industrial computer, and PLC self-programming controls the servo motor to complete the bending angle and the method of material blocking distance. Equipped with self-developed CAD/CAM programming software, its advantages are such as good stability, simple use, convenient operation, and low control cost. The HQ400 series CNC Busbar bending machine is with powerful functions and is equipped with corresponding molds, which can perform operations such as flat bending, vertical bending, and pipe bending on copper busbars. It can quickly, efficiently, and batch produce various copper busbar bends. Easy installation and replacement of molds. The blocking accuracy is D0.15 mm, and the bending accuracy is D0.3 degree. Multiple molds can be customized. Copper busbars with flat bending parameters. 15x 200 mm. The CNC operating system of this machine is simple to operate. The standard mode making it can be direct input of the desired bending point and angle for the busbars, with a graphical preview display. The coding mode can be processed with more L-shaped, Z-shaped, and U-shaped bending models to choose from, making it more intuitive for independent design and able to reflect the real-time running status of the program. The bending machine can directly import the generated graphic files and convert them into machine code that the machine can run. My company's CAD Assistant design software can be used directly with the template or their own created templates. One key generation of copper and aluminum rows of three-dimensional model, easy to operate, modify the length, angle, etc. You can quickly add a number of holes and positions. One key generation of punching and shearing and bending machining code can be imported in batches of bending files, visual batch generation of machining code. There is the function of single-line drawing, generating a three-dimensional model, one key generation of the machining code. You can batch calculations of the processing of copper rows, save the number of copper rows of raw materials,